Hello dear students, today we are going to perform our practical number 14. In this practical we have to demonstrate the following operations like method overloading and method overriding. Okay, so I have written the script for these operations. Okay, in this first script I am performing operation for method overloading. Okay, so method overloading is not possible without a dispatch method in Python. So I have what we can say, I have installed a multiple dispatch method package in Python. Okay, my system. After that I am importing dispatch method over here. uh, After importing this method, okay, so here you can see I have defining three functions with the same name, that is product, but with the different parameters. Here I am passing two integer values, here I am passing three integers values, and here I am passing three float values. When I am just calling this function, see here I am calling product and I am passing 232. These are three integers, so definitely it is going to call this method, product method, and it is going to multiply the numbers and it's just going to show me the result. When I am passing these three float numbers, so it's going to be what we can say, call this method, and it's just going to show this result. If we want to pass only two integers, okay, if you want to see the result of this, I am just copying this and I am just paste it over here. Okay, I am just passing two parameters, that is 2 and 3. Okay, so what is the result? 3 2 3s are 6. Okay, so result must be 6. So I am just saving this for here. And now this is for method overloading, and our second program is method what we can say, method overriding. Okay, sorry, I just correct this. I am writing the program for method overriding over here. Okay, so here I'm just saving this. In this method overriding, the concept is when you are using when you are performing inheritance. So this is our parent class and this is our child class. I am inheriting parent class in the our child class. Here there are two parent class is having his constructor, child class is having his constructor. Okay, when if here parent class is having the same method, that is show method, and child class is having same show method. The overriding concept is what, when we are inheriting our parent class in our child class, when the child class is having the same method name which is already present in the parent class, then the child class override the method of parent class. Okay, so when I am going to use, or what we can say, I am executing this. So see here, when I am selecting or creating object of parent 1, and when I am executing I am using the function that is show, so it is directly going to show this, it's directly print inside parent. Okay, and when I am going to create a object of our child class, that is object 2, through this object I am just calling a method. Okay, but here this show method is going to override the parent method and it's directly going to print the result is inside child. Okay, so I am just going to show you the result, how it's going to execute. Okay, the path is already set. What is our program title, that is script title is just wait for a minute. Here we have to write Python, our experiment number exp, and then 14, sorry, exp 14 dot py. Okay, so this is our result of this experiment. So see here, I have already told you when I am calling the same product method, or we can say function, okay, by passing two integer values, so it is producing the result 6. When I am passing three integer values, it is calling this method, okay, and it's what we can say, produce the result 12. And where we are passing three float values, it shows this result. Okay, so this is the example of method overloading, according as per the parameters, it's directly selecting the method, that is called as method overloading. Okay, and what is a method overriding? When we are using same method in a child class, then that method will override the method which already exists in a parent class. So here this is a best example where you can understand the method show of child class is override the method show in parent class. So this is our output. So this is it with this our practical number 14. Thank you.